Okay, welcome to Thank You White Knights. Now, the title is You Can't Save the Banks by Hyperinflating the Money Supply. This is off of cecaust.com.au. It is a media release of the 9th of October 2008. Okay, you can't save the banks by hyperinflating the money supply. This week's coordinated interest rate cuts by central banks cannot work because they further fuel the hyperinflation that will destroy every financial institution and national economy, whether solvent or not. Lyndon LaRoche called the coordinated rate cut a new form of insanity. It's a clear sign of panic, but it's also a formula for hyperinflation, and it's a psychological formula for hyperinflation, as you see in the German case. This is 1923, this time on a global scale. The way hyperinflation is erupting can be seen in the US Federal Reserve's term auction facility, TAF. In late 2007, the term auction facility was established with a $40 billion limit. By September, that limit had blown out to $150 billion. On September 29, the limit was doubled to $300 billion. On October 6, the Fed increased it to $900 billion. In response to the October 7 decision by the Federal Reserve to buy an undetermined amount of unsecured commercial paper, including from non-financial companies, LaRoche exclaimed, "More hyperinflation, more blowout. Don't assume it will stop just with the $1.6 trillion size of the commercial paper market at present. Who knows how much is out there? When you start getting these derivatives back in, you're going to find out that many orders of magnitude greater are really out there." That's what the pressure is. The pressure is this vast derivatives bubble in the quadrillions of dollars, which is thousands of trillions, which is larger than the whole world economy, and that's what's crashing in. People are trying to save that bubble. No alternative. The daily panicked bailouts by central bankers and their puppet governments and the daily failures of those bailouts point to the one irrefutable reality. There is no alternative to a complete reorganization of the system, along the lines of Lyndon LaRoche's new Bretton Woods International Reorganization and his Homeowners and Bank Protection Bill. Freeze the system, protect the people, write off the trillions in unpayable, worthless paper, keep what's real, and emerge with a heavily regulated banking system. A LaRoche Youth Movement Citizens Electoral Council delegation will be in Canberra next week meeting federal MPs on the Homeowners and Bank Protection Bill. And that's it for me. Thank you, White Knights.